Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a passcode for your Amazon Kindle 11th generation. And to do this, you'll need to click on these three dots in the top right corner of your screen, open up your settings, go for the device options. Here you can go for device passcode and change passcode, enter the current passcode, and now enter a new one. Click OK when it's ready, and the passcode should be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.